Today for Mousetrap Monday, we're going to take a look at the PIC brand Humane Catch and Release Mousetrap. It says it's reusable, no hurt fingers, 2 doors, enter from either side. This box contains 2 traps, so let's take them out and see how they work. Here's what the PIC brand Live Catch Mousetrap looks like out of the box. It's a plastic rectangle. There's doors on either side that open like this. There's a little catch on the trigger pad that keeps it open. You can do this side as well. There's ventilation holes, that way the mice can breathe. They enter the trap, step on the pad, and those doors close. You could also do just one side at a time like this, come in, and you got them. It looks like it works pretty well. Let's go test it out with our pet mice. For this test we'll use our gray mouse. Viewers named him Jerry. Let's see if he goes in there. Well, Jerry's tail is still sticking out, but he went in there, stepped on the pad, and the door's closed. It works really well. Let's go test this out in the garage, see if we can get some wild mice. To let the mouse out, I'll just lift up this door and see if he comes out. Well, there he goes, the PIC Live Catch Mousetrap. This worked well in my garage. I liked having 2 doors, that way they can enter from both sides, and it seems to work.